All right, folks. So in every life, in every day that some rain must fall, life must something like that. We are on the side of the road with Ultra Classy. I know it's a new place for me to be. If you are towing a trailer, if you are hauling anything, you always want to stop and check everything. So we stopped here in Vienna, Georgia, to get some gas and just kind of basically look things over. And I want to bring you in here real close. See that bracket right there? That is supposed to be attached here. It welds up in here. So I was walking around the bike looking at things, and I noticed that is not right. So I walked around the other side, checked the other side was the same way. So that ball is attached to that saddlebag bracket, which is attached to that license plate bracket, which means a no-go for hauling this Check on a Buddy camper. So,
oh, you didn't know?
we did some calling, having trouble finding the parts. We did find somebody who's going to come down and pick up the trailer and take it, because I can ride the bike fine with those broken. That's not a big deal. Then I'm either going to get on eBay and order me some parts. I'm hoping I can find a Harley dealership to ship it to me overnight. If not, there'll be an episode of Dicking Around in the Shed where we fabricate something to make this work.
Hey, y'all. We got a good dicking around in the shed for you today. We taking it on the road because I got to do a rescue mission. I got a call. Wait to see who it's from.
So goes the maiden voyage of the, which I haven't showed this yet. We're going to wait till I had to play, but Check a Buddy camper. So, all right, folks, stay tuned. This is going to be fun.
Well, look who it is. You know I'm making a YouTube video out of it.
I know you are. Yes, I know you are.
Oh, shit. You can't even see his little trailer behind me. You see him, maybe. I doubt it. Well, anyway, we got about 3 hours, 4 hours probably to get home. He was almost to Valdosta. We have our own little meet-up at the shed. Well, we made it back to the shed. It is about 7:30. No, almost 8 o'clock. But he rained most of the way. So he's setting up his timeout. So we're gonna tear this thing down and fix it. So this is day 2 of finishing up the primary.
But we took that little...
Yeah, this is what broke.
Little tiny piece of thin metal, and we engineered it. Yeah, just stop right there. I don't want to say engineered, just engineered it. And we put it back together so the wires don't rub on there and get caught. You hold. Look how solid it is.
Yeah.
call it ocean regulation violations. Ultra Classy is a long way from ever having a warranty on her, and definitely now. But my God, we hillbilly engineered a situation that'll work. So that didn't take as long as what might have thought. So that left us for some room for a little bit of a ride. So we're going out, and we're going to ride some of this countryside. All my friends up north that are jealous of me because I went down south, don't be. It's only like 40 degrees here, which is the same thing it is back in Ohio. So, cover up, strap yourself on your bike and go for a ride. You can use the wind therapy. So, big shout out to my buddy, Doyle. And you look up there behind him is her 3 wheels. She's riding with us. But, yeah. Well, he got me set up in a good way. Life is good.
Until next time, folks, remember what Mr. McStache always says. Love on your family. Check on a buddy. And when you get back out there, always keep it rubber side down. Until next time, we'll see you.